Quick, Penfold, hold on to something.
Nice to have some company. I've been up here for the longest time.
Ah, there you are, DM. Excellent reactions, like a coiled spring.
Colonel, the Baron has stopped the world spinning and everything is floating off into space.
I'm aware of that. I'm floating in space, too.
I warned you I will bring the world to a standstill. Now the price has doubled to double all the money in the world.
There must be a way of starting the world spinning again.
Actually, it's simple. You just switch off the red light.
No time for details, Professor. We've got a world to save.
Why doesn't he ever listen?
Ha! We did it, Penfold!
Chief, shouldn't the world have started spinning again by now?
I was trying to tell you that we need the big green light to restart the world.
Oh, steady on, Professor. You can't blame Danger Mouse. After all, he's doing all this on his own.
What about me?
You've destroyed your only means of saving the world, Danger Mouse. Victory is mine!
I think I know how we can make a giant green light. All we need to do is connect this television to the Colonel's hologram projector.
And project the Baron's face onto the moon. Brilliant, Penfold.
Get my face off the moon! The craters are ruining my complexion.
Good work, thingamabob.
It looks like gravity's kicking in again. Quick, Penfold! The Baron can still do a lot of damage with that traffic controller. We've got to control him!
A futile gesture, Danger Mouse, when I can still stop you with my traffic controller! Curse you, Danger Mouse! You may have won the battle, but I shall win the...
I'm back, Baron! Baron!